Well, hello everyone. So glad you could join me again today. Welcome back to the channel. This is video 5 of the Merry Christmas Gnomes. And you can see across the top where we have been working on them. We're going to be doing this particular rectangle today. Dial that up and in so you can see what's going on. Maybe just a hair bit more. Unfortunately, if I do too much, it's out of frame. There we are. As always, please subscribe. It's 100% free, no cost to you. This is a really colorful rectangle, so we're just going to be starting with the number 2. Hit the thumbs up to show that you like the content. Do the bell notification only if you would want to be notified when I release a new video every day. Leave a comment, suggestions, ideals, questions. Please make sure there's 7 words or longer, or YouTube really does not recognize it or give us value for it. As always, I'm still trying to get monetization. I can use all the subscriptions and comments and view time as I can get. And as always, I hope everyone is doing well, or as well as can be expected. Alright, that seems to do number 2. Now we have number 6 right there. Okay. Okay. Just glancing through, trying to find any more. I see a few down here. On my last painting, I somehow lost one of the recordings. I have absolutely no idea what happened. And so anything can happen when it comes to things. Hopefully it doesn't deter anyone from watching my paintings. Still just checking for more. Okay. I don't see any more. We're going to do the letter S now. Okay. All right, number 7. I missed a J right there. Okay, so I'm going to hijack a J to put it in there. There we are. And we're going to go to letter L. We have some groupings. Okay. All right. And I see I missed a 7 as well right there. I'm going to try to finish my L's first. Okay, and then I'll hijack a 7 and put that where it belongs. Right there. And then we have the letter K. And I have to shake out some drills. Okay. And first we got this 6 right here. Okay. And I see -1. Okay. Right. Just like that. All right. And the rest will be the smaller stylus. There's one right there. Just glancing through, see if I managed to get them all. Hopefully I have. Now we're moving on to tea. I'm going to do groupings of this first. Guess now singles. And I believe that's it. Then we're going to go to X. I just have to find it. This one I'm going to need the larger stylus as well. We got 6 right there. Okay. Couple things to do first. Have to get some drills straightened out, so okay. And then we have a 5. And 4. And the rest are smaller ones, so we can just use the smaller stylus. Okay. Whoops. Did not discharge. There we go. Okay. 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 And I see one more right here. Okay. So we have some groupings to do. So first we'll do the groupings. See 2 more right here. Okay. And that looks like all the X's. So next we're going to do the number 9. right, now got a few large ones here, so all right, that's a problem. Take that out. Okay, okay. So first we have I know I saw it before. What happened? Okay, well, I'll just do this one then. Okay. And then we have 6. And then we have another 6. Okay. There's the 4. I knew there was one with it. Just couldn't remember where. Okay. And then we'll move to the smaller stylus. Whoops. All right. Not gonna discharge. We're not gonna bother with you. Okay. I'd rather move on to ones that I can discharge. Okay. Nope, there's another double. Silk, stop. He's so naughty. What can you say to a cat that's over 100 years old? Okay. And doing good. Looks like all we have left is singular 9s. Time to get those filled in. Whoops. Did not stick. It did that time. All right, that looks like that's it on those. Next is going to be 0, or I should say the letter O. The letter O. Pretty dark color. 4. Okay. Whoops. Whoops. All right. Checking for any O's. I believe that's it. Then we have a number 5. Okay. And then we have the letter E. Just doing some odd ones at this moment. All right, that does the letter E, and then we're off to the letter Y. And there are quite a few of these, singular and groupings. Excuse me. just trying to get some singulars out of the way as always. Okay. Okay. Going to need some road drills, and then I can start doing some groupings. All right. Okay. Having a little bit of technical difficulties here. Okay. This is a bow we're putting together right now. Come on. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and fill that one in. Oh, I missed an O. I see it right there. All right. Well, now, talk about challenging. Okay. Have part of the ribbon down here. And then the ribbon over here. Oh, I see an X too. Wow, I'll be. All right. First, let's make sure we get all the Y's in. And then we'll have to hijack an O first to fill that in. There that is. And we're going to hijack an X. These are ones we've already done. An X. There we are. Now, the next letter is an H. Okay. All right. So we'll work on this side first. Okay. Okay. We'll fill in these, whoops. Come on. actually got a couple of long rows here going on. Yeah, I misjudged on the amounts on that one, and it went off wrong. There we are. Okay, and then on that one, I'm just going to stick with a 6. I think it'll make it much safer that way. Silk, would you just stop climbing all over me? I know you're old and lonely. He is too. Like I said, he's over 100 years old in kitty years. And the closer to the end of his time he becomes, the more clingy he becomes. He used to be very independent, but not anymore. Yes, I know. I hear you purring. Okay. I believe that is all the H's. And then our next letter is going to be R. No, I see a couple H's right here. There's one and there's one. Okay. H and then R. Okay. These seem to be a bit more scattered about, probably because they're so dark. They're more of a highlight. Okay. Okay, we have a couple as a group right here. There. Okay. And that, I believe, does all the R's. The next letter is P. Okay. All right. There's that one. Our next letter is D. I'm going to go ahead and use the group stylus right now. Alright, I got a few singular. Okay, then we have the number 8. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, then we have the letter A. Just keep working it along here. We're getting really good and close to done on this rectangular here. And a grouping. Okay. And then we're going to do number 4. Yeah, because we even got one right there. So number 4 is next. Okay. A lot of singular of these. Do the couple groupings as soon as I do that. Awesome. We got 2 groupings. Okay, the letter F. Okay, that was the letter C. And now we're gonna go with the letter N, which is a very pale, pale lavender. So is the whole, well, maybe not. All right. I want to fill this line in as well. And then do 5 right beside it. Then do 4. And all the rest is the smaller stylus. And as always, please subscribe. It's 100% free, no cost to you. Do the bell notification if you want to be notified when I release a video. Leave a comment, suggestions, ideals, questions. What your thoughts are, how you feel, like I was saying. And hit the thumbs up to let YouTube. I have an eBay store, so that's why that slipped. To let YouTube know that you approve of the content. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you so much for joining me today. And I really appreciate you. And until next time, see you then.